Good morning, students. I am Kuldeep Singh. Today I am going to explain Class 8 Molson's Chapter 2 with love and compassion. Students, first of all, what do you mean by the compassion? Students, compassion is the deep awareness of suffering another person. So, with the love, we can change the world. We can do something great. So, here is the story of the seed of love. There was a one young traveler who was visiting the French Alps, and he came in the one barren land where there is nothing is grown. So that land was just like a desert. Then it was a kind place we run away. That from that place we used to run away. We don't want to live over there. But suddenly he found that an old man usually doing something over there. In the hand of old man, he was having a uh, one iron rod, that is iron pipe, and back of his an old man having a sack of oak nuts. Then he used to that iron pipe and put punchy holes in the ground, and take the sack of take the oak nut from the sack and put it in the iron pipe and dug into the ground. Then he was asking to the traveler asked the old man what he was doing. Then he said, I have planted a 1 lakh seeds here, and out of 1 lakh only the tenth part of the seeds will grow. Then he old man added the words that his wife and son had died. Now he's alone. He want to spend the life with this purpose only, to do something great for another. Then he that the traveler want to go that place again after 25 years. Then he was surprised to know, he was amazed then when he saw that there was a plenty of plants are there, which was a barn, which was a looking like a desert at that time ago. Now the land was covered with a beautiful forest. Birds are singing, animals were flying, and the wildflowers perfumed the air. Then the desert turned into a forest, and all because of that old man's care. Because the old man has done something great over there with the love and compassion. So, love and compassion form the foundation of human relation. They make it possible for one to understand the suffering of another. Compassion is about putting oneself into the another person's shoes, trying to feel their pain and anxiety. So, if we are having a love, we can change anything. We can change our world. We can change another person also. With compassion, person treat others just like a friends, looks just like his family members. So a person compassionate person tries to make another happy. We also want to be a compassionate person. Students, from this story we learn that be a compassionate person, be a lovable person. We love to another, we love to the human beings, love to the animals, wild animals, etc. So once another story is there. Once a wise man, then scorpion moved around the water. Yeah, you heard this story before that also. Scorpion, the nature is to stung the man, but man's nature is to get safe that scorpion which was try to be moving into the water. Then the man took that scorpion out, and scorpion stung the man again and again. Then one man was moving, and he said that scorpion is continuously stinging you, but you are continuously seeing that life. So why you are doing so? Then the man replied that the scorpion nature is to sting, but my nature is to save the other person's life. So I don't want to change my nature because of this scorpion. So he saved the scorpion life. So we also have to learn from this story that don't change your nature, lovable and compassionate nature. Don't change your lovable and compassionate nature. Be a lovable person and try to do something better in the life. Thank you. So students, I'm going to send you the PDF file also of this questions. So try to write those questions in the notebook. Thank you.